ever wondered if ancient wisdom can guide modern health practices? The Bible, a source of spiritual guidance, also offers fascinating insights into dietary habits. Welcome to Divine Documentaries. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey through the Bible's dietary wisdom, a guide that has influenced health and longevity for millennia. Imagine following principles that promote wellness, from Daniel's plant-based diet to the Mosaic laws on clean and unclean foods. We'll delve into these ancient guidelines and explore their relevance today. We'll also discuss how these dietary practices can benefit modern health and well-being. It's going to be a fascinating journey. Are you ready to learn some amazing things about biblical diets? Let's dive in together. In the beginning, God provided a perfect diet for humanity in the Garden of Eden. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 states, "I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food." This passage highlights the divine intention for a diet rich in plant-based foods. The emphasis on seed-bearing plants and fruits point to a diet full of nutrients, fiber and essential vitamins, elements crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Even today, nutritionists and health experts advocate for a diet that closely resembles this original biblical diet. Plant-based diets are known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, support healthy weight management, and contribute to longevity. Studies show that individuals who consume a variety of fruits and vegetables daily have lower rates of heart disease, hypertension, and certain types of cancer. The Garden of Eden represents more than just a physical location. It symbolizes a state of perfect health and harmony with nature. The diet prescribed by God in this paradise is simple yet profoundly effective. By focusing on natural, unprocessed foods, we can emulate this ideal and reap the health benefits that come with it. Incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into our daily meals is a step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. From leafy greens and berries to nuts and seeds, each plant-based food offers unique health benefits that contribute to our overall well-being. Whether you're inspired by spiritual reasons or health, the message is clear. A diet rich in plant-based foods is beneficial. The Garden of Eden's diet serves as a timeless blueprint for nutrition, reminding us that the best foods are those provided by nature, unaltered and full of life-giving properties. By embracing the simplicity and purity of the Garden of Eden's diet, we can take a significant step towards achieving optimal health and harmony in our lives. The wisdom of ancient scriptures continues to guide us, offering a path to a healthier and a more fulfilling existence. Centuries after the Garden of Eden, we find another profound dietary example in the story of Daniel and his friends. As captives in Babylon, they were offered rich foods and wine from the king's table, but Daniel chose a different path. Daniel chapter 1 verses 8 to 16 tells us, "But Daniel resolved not to defile himself with the royal food and wine, and he asked the chief official for permission not to defile himself this way. 'Please test your servants for 10 days. Give us nothing but vegetables to eat and water to drink.' After 10 days, Daniel and his friends appeared healthier and better nourished than those who ate the king's food. This passage highlights the benefits of a simple, plant-based diet, not only for physical health, but also as a demonstration of faith and discipline. In modern times, the benefits of a plant-based diet are well documented. Diets rich in vegetables are linked to reduced risks of chronic diseases, improved digestion, and overall better health. The story of Daniel serves as a timeless example of how simple dietary choices can lead to profound health benefits. Whether for religious reasons, health, or both, incorporating more vegetables into our diets is a step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Daniel's choice reminds us of the power of faith and discipline in our daily lives. The Bible's Mosaic dietary laws offer a detailed guide to what was considered clean and unclean food for the Israelites. These laws, found in Leviticus 11 and Deuteronomy 14, were more than just dietary preferences. They were seen as a way to maintain holiness and health. Leviticus chapter 11 verse 3 states, "You may eat any animal that has a divided hoof and that chews the cud." This includes animals like cattle, sheep, and goats, creatures that were deemed clean and suitable for consumption. In contrast, animals that do not meet both criteria, such as the camel, rabbit, and pig, were considered unclean. Leviticus chapter 11 verses 4 to 8 detailed these prohibitions, explaining that these animals were not to be eaten. The dietary laws also extend to sea creatures. Leviticus chapter 11 verses 9 to 12 specifies that only those with fins and scales, like fish, are clean. Shellfish and other sea creatures without these characteristics are deemed unclean. Certain birds, including eagles, vultures, and owls, are listed as unclean in Leviticus chapter 11 verses 13 to 19. Additionally, insects that walk on all fours, except those with jointed legs for hopping like locusts and crickets, are considered unclean as per Leviticus chapter 11 verses 20 to 23. These dietary laws served multiple purposes. They helped distinguish the Israelites from surrounding nations, promoted health by avoiding certain diseases, and emphasized the principle of holiness in everyday life. Modern nutritional science supports some of these ancient guidelines. For example, avoiding pork and shellfish can reduce the risk of certain diseases and parasites. The focus on clean animals like fish aligns with current understanding of healthy fats and protein sources. These ancient laws underscore a principle that remains relevant today. Thoughtful, disciplined choices about what we eat can lead to better health and well-being. By adhering to these dietary guidelines, the Israelites not only followed divine command, but also embraced a path to physical and spiritual purity. The Mosaic dietary laws remind us that our food choices can reflect deeper values and principles. They encourage us to be mindful of what we consume, understanding that these decisions impact our health and our spiritual lives. The New Testament brings a different perspective on dietary practices, emphasizing freedom and personal conviction over strict adherence to dietary laws. This shift reflects the early Christian understanding of faith and community. In Romans chapter 14 verse 2, Paul acknowledges the diverse dietary practices among early Christians, stating, "One person's faith allows them to eat anything, but another, whose faith is weak, eats only vegetables." This passage highlights the acceptance of different dietary choices based on individual faith and conscience. Paul further addresses dietary considerations in 1 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 13, emphasizing sensitivity to others' beliefs. He says, "Therefore, if what I eat causes my brother or sister to fall into sin, I will never eat meat again, so that I will not cause them to fall." This principle of love and sensitivity underscores the communal aspect of dietary choices. Another significant passage is 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 19 to 20, where Paul writes, "Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit, who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies." While not directly about nutrition, this passage underscores the importance of honoring our bodies, implying that proper nutrition is a form of respect for the divine. The New Testament encourages believers to exercise freedom and responsibility in their dietary choices. It shifts the focus from strict laws to personal conviction and communal harmony, allowing for a more inclusive approach to eating. These teachings remind us that our dietary choices are not just about physical health, but also about spiritual well-being and consideration for others. The New Testament perspective invites us to balance freedom with responsibility, ensuring that our food choices honor God and respect our community. In embracing the New Testament approach, we learn that our food choices can be a reflection of our faith, our respect for our bodies, and our love for our community. It's a holistic view that integrates physical health with spiritual and communal well-being. The Bible not only provides dietary guidelines, but also highlights specific foods known for their remarkable health benefits. These foods, still relevant today, offer therapeutic properties that contribute to a healthy and pain-free lifestyle. Honey is one of the most praised foods in the Bible. Proverbs chapter 24 verse 13 says, "Eat honey, my son, for it is good. Honey from the comb is sweet to your taste." Honey never spoils, is full of essential nutrients, and has antibacterial properties. Consuming local, raw honey can boost the immune system, aid digestion, and even help manage allergies. Raw milk, as opposed to pasteurized milk, retains beneficial enzymes and nutrients. Mentioned in the Bible, raw milk supports gut health, bone health, and overall nutrition. For those who are lactose intolerant, raw milk can be a healthier option, reducing allergies and improving digestion. Olives and olive oil are frequently mentioned in the scriptures for their health benefits. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, olives support heart and skin health. Olive oil, which can be safely heated and used in cooking, contains omega-9 fatty acids that are beneficial for overall well-being. Fish, particularly cold water varieties, are highlighted for their rich protein content, healthy fats, and essential iodine. The Bible references fish as a staple in the diet of many biblical figures. Consuming fish can reduce inflammation, support cognitive function, and slow mental decline. Herbs, especially bitter herbs, are valued for their health benefits. These herbs support digestion, liver enzyme production, and have anti-inflammatory properties. The Bible emphasizes the importance of these herbs in maintaining good health. Flaxseed, known for its numerous health benefits, is high in fiber, plant protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. It aids digestion, reduces inflammation, protects the heart, and helps manage blood sugar levels. Grapes and wine containing the powerful compound resveratrol are noted for their anti-aging properties in the Bible. Resveratrol activates longevity genes and supports cellular regeneration, potentially helping with degenerative diseases like osteoporosis and arthritis. Modern scientific studies support these ancient insights, showing how a biblical diet can lead to weight loss, reduced pain, and overall better health. The Bible's emphasis on cleanliness, good nutrition, fasting, and exercise aligns closely with modern healing diets. Incorporating these biblical foods into your daily meals can significantly improve your health. Choosing local, raw, and organic options ensures that we get the maximum benefits. By following these ancient dietary guidelines, we can achieve a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. These biblical foods are not just historical artifacts, they are powerful tools for modern health. By embracing the wisdom of ancient scriptures, we can enjoy the benefits of these foods today, promoting health and longevity. The Bible teaches not only about what to eat, but also how to eat. Principles of moderation and balance are emphasized throughout the scriptures, promoting a healthy lifestyle. Proverbs chapter 23 verse 20-21 warns, "Do not join those who drink too much wine or gorge themselves on meat, for drunkards and gluttons become poor, and drowsiness clothes them in rags." This passage highlights the dangers of overindulgence and the importance of self-control in maintaining health. Another key principle is found in Proverbs 25 verse 27, which advises, "It is not good to eat too much honey, nor is it honorable to search out matters that are too deep." Even with foods that are beneficial, moderation is essential to avoid negative health impacts. The emphasis on moderation extends beyond food to include overall lifestyle choices. The Bible encourages a balanced approach to eating, drinking, and living, ensuring that no aspect of life is taken to excess. This holistic approach to health is supported by modern nutritional science. Overindulgence in any type of food can lead to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Conversely, practicing moderation can enhance well-being and longevity. The Bible's wisdom on moderation is timeless. By applying these principles, we can create a more balanced and healthy lifestyle, aligning with both spiritual and physical well-being. Incorporating the biblical principles of moderation and balance into our daily lives helps us to honor our bodies, maintain good health, and live in harmony with our spiritual beliefs. These guidelines are as relevant today as they were thousands of years ago. While the Bible's dietary guidelines were given in an ancient context, their principles continue to resonate with modern health practices. Let's explore how these ancient scriptures are interpreted and applied even today. Theologians and nutritionists alike find value in the Bible's emphasis on cleanliness, good nutrition, fasting, and exercise. These principles align closely with modern holistic health approaches, which advocate for balanced diets, regular physical activity, and mindful eating. Dr. Paris, a renowned nutritionist, highlights several key biblical foods with therapeutic properties such as honey, raw milk, olives, fish, herbs, flaxseed, and grapes. These foods praised in the Bible are now recognized for their anti-inflammatory effects, improved digestion, and cognitive support. Additionally, herbs like bitter herbs aid in digestion and liver function, while flaxseed is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, aiding in digestion and heart health. Grapes and wine containing resveratrol are highlighted for their anti-aging properties, potentially helping with degenerative diseases. Modern interpretations also emphasize the holistic approach to health found in the Bible. This includes not just dietary choices, but also the importance of fasting and regular exercise. These practices contribute to overall well-being and are supported by current health research. By integrating these ancient principles with contemporary knowledge, we can create a comprehensive approach to health that respects both our spiritual and physical needs. The Bible's dietary guidelines offer a timeless blueprint for a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Embracing these guidelines can lead to improved health, longevity, and a deeper sense of spiritual fulfillment. The wisdom of ancient scriptures continues to inspire and guide us, offering valuable insights into how we can live healthier, more balanced lives today. From the Garden of Eden to the teachings of Paul, the Bible offers timeless wisdom on diet and health. Whether for faith or well-being, these ancient guidelines continue to inspire and inform our dietary choices today. Thank you for joining us on this journey through biblical dietary guidelines. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of biblical history and health. After watching this documentary, what changes are you inspired to make in your diet or lifestyle? Let us know in the comments.